Why no one is discussing video marketing strategies, the down-to-earth truth. Practical training on the best way to make the video, what things to say, and the way to use video to sell more effectively. So since you can see, there are a number of reasons to get started using videos to boost your advertising efforts that will result in increased sales. Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about video marketing strategies, the down-to-earth truth. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. You will also know how to create videos that sell and utilize live video. Furthermore, videos may also boost your conversion prices. Pick a couple of specific things you wish to happen from every video. You have to make a memorable video so that people don't forget your brand easily. For box office success to happen, the faith of the individuals must continue being an undefined faith. It is preferable to speak the truth that hurts, after which heals, than falsehood that comforts and after that kills. Especially if it's the best quantity of truth at the most suitable time. The secret is to discover mutual truths with your customers. To catalyze discussions on your videos, be sure to send a crystal clear and concise message. Taking into account the fact that the majority of people have short attention spans. Fortunately, Yik Yak posts the most well-known ones to their Twitter account, and that means you get a great idea about what works and what doesn't. Naturally, it is logical to offer content around that identical theme. As long since there's been marketing, the content has been a region of the advertising practice. Your content has to be so excellent that it makes the user want to tell all her or his friends about it. As a way to drive an increasing number of people to your homepage, you should have video advertising content which is not only of quality but in addition relevant. Things you should know about video marketing strategies, the down-to-earth truth. Create your business leaflet or flyer to coordinate with the message your company strives to pass and the way you wish to be perceived. In case you're having a neighborhood business, setting up stands at business fairs can aid your brand extensively. It is wise for businesses to look right ahead and get started implementing actions which may help mitigate and solve challenges which are just over the horizon. Leveraging the influence video marketing brings you'll completely change your small business. Email marketing makes it possible to grow your audience. The whole process of raising your loyal followers through emails might take some moment, but it's important to keep in mind that the customers you gain through email marketing are certain to stay longer. It is one of the best ways to help you try and make sense of all the data that is available. Although it is time-consuming when it comes to driving traffic, it is still an integral component of marketing. Video marketing supplies a chance for you to explain what makes you different from your competition. It is the perfect tool to strengthen your brand identity and to also make sure your customers know who you are. Despite the fact that it can be a more expensive procedure of advertising, the radio still is a rather strong medium. Radio advertising is just one of the most well-known methods of marketing, whether we realize it or not. What does video marketing strategies, the down-to-earth truth mean? Email marketing can help you grow your audience. The whole procedure of raising your loyal followers through emails might take some moment, but it's important to keep in mind that the customers you gain through email marketing will definitely stay longer. It is one of the best ways to help you try and make sense of all the data that is available. Although it is time-consuming when it comes to driving traffic, it is still an integral component of marketing. Therefore, if you're seriously interested in content marketing, you have to be serious about video, too. For lots of people, a fundamental part of standard marketing is paying for advertising. It's obvious that online marketing is no easy job. Ryan Holiday: online marketing isn't a reasonable and honest game. Video advertising is getting more and more affordable and widespread. So, you would like to get involved with video advertising. Video marketing gives a chance for you to explain what makes you different from your competition. Undoubtedly, it is one of the newest additions to your promotion toolbox. It is the perfect tool to strengthen your brand identity and to also make sure your customers know who you are. Facebook video marketing is a whole lot of work. Once you are prepared to publish your video, be certain to do a little bit of optimization. The quantity of video watched on Facebook is difficult to ignore. Just don't forget that you want to front-load your video and set the exciting stuff in the start, so people keep watching. When you start to fully grasp how video is used by similar brands, goods, and services, it's possible to then move on to defining what you would like to do with incorporating video to your advertising strategies. Video and mobile go together. Moreover, videos may also improve your conversion prices. It is a great tool for learning, but it's also super easy to consume. You should make a memorable video so that people don't forget your brand easily. The overall idea here is still the exact same. You've got a notion for your very first video. A terrific video idea, together with polish and effort, can generate outstanding outcomes. To catalyze discussions on your videos, be certain you send a crystal clear and concise message, taking into consideration the fact that the majority of people have short attention spans. The reality is that financial institutions are fighting to profit from ever-increasing volumes of information. Especially if it's the proper quantity of truth at the most suitable moment. It is preferable to speak the truth that hurts and heals, than falsehood that comforts and kills. Very similar to developing every other portion of your advertising strategy, thoroughly researching your intended market and your industry will permit you to comprehend what sorts of video content will appeal to your audience, and what types of videos are used by the competition. Well, the business is changing. Unfortunately, the organization is not as practiced than Apple and has reverted back to the exact old attacks as a primary part of that story. With many video advertising production companies available at an arm's reach, you are ready to not just create great content but in addition, publish it on the correct channels. Top video marketing strategies: the down-to-earth truth secrets. People will connect with you as soon as you're simply being yourself. They just didn't want to buy yet. Then do some research on the kind of videos will appeal to your prospective app users. You're able to bypass the demand for advertising. The reply will be dependent on your audience. Introducing video marketing strategies: the down-to-earth truth. Email advertising campaigns, if designed and executed carefully, are the ideal approach to find some conversions without having to spend an enormous sum of money on marketing expenses. It's important that you know if your efforts are paying off. In addition to that, retargeting efforts are in reality pretty cheap in comparison to the majority of kinds of advertising. What to expect from video marketing strategies: the down-to-earth truth. If your video content isn't being optimized for search, you're almost surely passing up free exposure. If it is particularly popular, however, then there may be an opportunity for content creators to capitalize. It is some of the easiest to consume. Instead of attempting to determine the ideal method to begin your video content creation journey, just get that first video from the manner. As a way to drive a growing number of people to your homepage, you will have to have a video promoting content that isn't only of quality but in addition relevant. If you don't understand what you're doing, it may also be among the hardest kinds of content to create. Execute that strategy by making content once you're able to. While writing keyword-specific, relevant content is a beneficial method to entice visitors, writing isn't the only approach to make content. The ultimate approach to video marketing strategies: the down-to-earth truth. Virtually every brand utilizes indirect distribution in some manner. Brands know that targeting the proper message to the correct customer creates a difference. Through channel marketing is doing precisely that. Therefore, if you're seriously interested in content marketing, you have to be serious about video, too. Although email marketing is time-consuming in regards to driving traffic, it's still an integral part of marketing. It helps you grow your audience. The entire process of increasing your loyal followers through emails might take some time, but it is important to remember that the customers you gain through email marketing are bound to stay longer. It is one of the best ways to help you try and make sense of all the data that is available. Video marketing offers a chance for you to explain what makes you different from your competition. Undoubtedly, it is one of the newest additions to your promotion toolbox. It is the perfect tool to strengthen your brand identity and to also make sure your customers know who you are. Facebook video marketing is a great deal of work. Unfortunately, the organization is not as practiced than Apple and has reverted back to the identical old attacks as a chief part of that story. Some businesses and non-profits require employees to sign a social networking agreement. With many video advertising production companies available at an arm's reach, you are ready to not just create great content but in addition, publish it on the correct channels. Up in arms about video marketing strategies? The down-to-earth truth? If you consider it, the potency of the video isn't even that surprising. Customer satisfaction relies on a sensible quantity of disclosure, and receiving a lead interested enough to explore your solution demands a certain quantity of idealizing. The better you understand your clients, the better you're able to draft your emails to get a better response the next moment. Thus, you don't need to structure the service for unbelievers. The benefits of video marketing strategies. The down-to-earth truth. From that point, you can start to polish your performance. You'll learn how to prepare for video performance. In spite of the fact that video production isn't yet the simplest nor most affordable task, it pays off big moment. But what about video marketing strategies? The down-to-earth truth? For this digital marketing and advertising strategy to be effective, it's imperative to understand what makes your intended audience tick. You don't want to end up losing their attention. Individuals will connect with you once you're simply being yourself. They should be able to express themselves. Top video marketing strategies. The down-to-earth truth secrets. For box office success to occur, the faith of the folks must stay an undefined faith. Especially if it's the proper quantity of truth at the most suitable time. It is preferable to speak the truth that hurts, after which heals, than falsehood that comforts and after that kills. To catalyze discussions on your videos, be sure to send a crystal clear and concise message, taking under consideration the fact that the majority of people have short attention spans. On the opposite end of the spectrum is the thought that marketing ought to be 100% truthful and forthcoming in all claims. A good video idea, together with polish and effort, can generate remarkable outcomes. The idea of perfection gets in the manner of being real. Video marketing strategies. The down-to-earth truth, no longer a mystery. If you want to incorporate the full post, and not only the video, click the box. The landing page is the very first thing customers see when they visit your company website, so that you would want to create a great impression by lowering clutter and making it eye-catching. Make sure you're going to find the kind of information and strategies you may use for implementation and growth. If you do feel that you must say something, request advice about the best way to phrase it. The quantity of video watched on Facebook is difficult to ignore. Videos enable you to grow the time spent by visitors on your website. Include links right at the very top and let writers know precisely what they're clicking on, why the videos relate to their readers, and why they need to be excited about sharing them for you. Video and mobile go together. Furthermore, videos may also boost your conversion prices. Pick a couple of specific things you need to happen from every video. The most important reason that videos have become increasingly more popular is it's getting easier to film, even on a rather very good manufacturing level. It is a great tool for learning, but it's also super easy to consume. In the event the videos are meant to get folks to take any action, perhaps it does not matter. You should make a memorable video so that people don't forget your brand easily. Thanks for watching my video about video marketing strategies, the down-to-earth truth. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.